What if you could run a profitable design business without being a designer? Without knowing Photoshop? Without drawing anything from scratch? Without any creative background whatsoever? This is not a trick. This is exactly what thousands of people are doing right now using AI image generation tools combined with print-on-demand platforms. They are selling designs on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and wall art every single day. And they never touched a pen, pencil, or design software to make it happen. Today I am showing you the complete AI method for making money selling designs you did not create yourself. Step by step. Beginner friendly. Starting from zero. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. How this business model actually works. Print on demand is a business model where you upload a design through a platform, the platform prints it on a product when someone orders, ships it directly to the customer, and pays you the profit margin. You never handle inventory. You never pack a box. You never deal with shipping. Your only job is creating designs and uploading them. The platform handles everything else automatically. AI image generation tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and Leonardo AI create stunning professional quality artwork from simple text descriptions. You describe what you want. The AI generates it. You upload it to your print-on-demand store. Customers buy it. You earn money. The combination of AI design generation and print-on-demand fulfillment creates a completely automated income stream that runs without your daily involvement once it is set up. Step 1. Choose your niche and platform. The most successful print-on-demand sellers do not try to sell to everyone. They pick a specific audience with a specific passion and create designs exclusively for that group. Strong niches include dog breed lovers, hobby communities like fishing, hiking, and gardening, professions like nurses, teachers, and engineers, funny quote collections for specific personality types, and minimalist aesthetic designs for home decor buyers. Open Claude and ask it to generate 20 print-on-demand niche ideas with strong buyer passion, consistent purchasing behavior, and relatively low competition on major platforms. Ask Claude to explain why each niche works and what types of designs perform best within it. Pick the niche that genuinely interests you. Passion for your niche helps you understand what your buyers actually want to wear, display, or gift. For your selling platform, start with Redbubble or Merch by Amazon. Both are completely free to join. Redbubble is easier to get started on immediately. Merch by Amazon has a higher earning potential but requires an application and approval process. Step 2. Generate designs using AI. This is where the magic happens. You do not need design skills. You need the ability to write clear descriptive prompts. Sign up for Midjourney through Discord. The basic plan starts at $10 per month and gives you access to one of the most powerful image generation tools available. Alternatively, Adobe Firefly is free and integrates directly with Canva for easy editing. Open your AI image tool and start with a simple prompt structure. Describe the subject, the style, and the intended use. For example, a golden retriever wearing sunglasses, cartoon style, clean white background, suitable for t-shirt printing. The AI generates 4 image variations in seconds. Ask Claude to help you write better prompts for your specific niche. Tell Claude your niche, your target buyer, and the type of design you want. Ask Claude to write 5 detailed prompts you can paste directly into your AI image tool. Better prompts produce better designs that sell more consistently. Generate multiple variations of each design concept. Save the strongest ones. You are looking for designs that are visually striking, clearly communicate a theme, and would genuinely appeal to someone who identifies with your niche. Important technical point. Most print-on-demand platforms require high-resolution images, typically at least 3000 by 3000 pixels at 300 dpi. Check your AI tool's output resolution settings before generating your final designs. Upscale your images using a free tool like Upscale if needed before uploading. Step 3. Refine and prepare your designs. Raw AI-generated images sometimes need minor adjustments before they are ready to sell. Colors might need brightening. Backgrounds might need removing. Text might need adding. Use Canva to make these refinements. Canva's background remover cleanly removes backgrounds from your designs. This is essential for t-shirt designs where you need a transparent background so the design sits cleanly on any shirt color. Ask Claude to suggest color combinations and typography pairings for your niche. If adding text, ask Claude to generate 10 tagline options that would resonate strongly with your target buyer. Short punchy text combined with a strong AI visual creates highly sellable designs. Use Printful's free mockup generator to preview your designs on actual products before uploading. Strong mockup images significantly increase conversions on your listings. Step 4. List and optimize your products. Uploading your design is only half the work. The listing around it determines whether buyers find it and decide to purchase. Your product title, description, and tags all need to be optimized for the search terms your buyers use on the platform. Ask Claude to write your complete product listing for each design. Give it your design description, your target buyer, and your platform. Ask Claude to write a compelling title with relevant keywords, a benefit-focused product description, and a comprehensive tag list covering every relevant search term a buyer might use. Well-written listings appear higher in platform search results and convert browsers into buyers at a significantly higher rate than generic listings. Price your products at the higher end of what the platform allows without being the most expensive option available. On Redbubble, most successful sellers price t-shirts between $25 and $35. Pricing too low signals low quality. Pricing competitively within the successful range maximizes both sales volume and profit per sale. Step 5. Scale with volume and variety. Print-on-demand rewards volume. One design might sell occasionally. 100 designs creates a catalog that generates consistent daily sales from multiple products simultaneously. Set a goal of uploading 5 new designs every week. At that pace you have 100 designs live within 5 months. Each design is a permanent asset generating sales indefinitely. Ask Claude to build a weekly design production schedule. Give it your niche, your upload target, and your available time. Claude creates a structured weekly plan covering which concepts to create each day. Expand into related niches once your primary one is established. If you started with Golden Retriever designs, expand into Labrador, Poodle, and German Shepherd designs. Each breed is a separate audience discovering your store through different search terms. Your action plan starting today. Choose your niche using Claude. Sign up for Redbubble or apply for merch by Amazon. Get access to Midjourney or Adobe Firefly. Ask Claude to write your first 5 design prompts. Generate your designs. Remove backgrounds in Canva. Write your listings with Claude. Upload and publish today. Your first designs can be live within one afternoon. Your first sale can happen within the first week. What niche are you starting your print-on-demand store in? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment with specific design ideas for your niche. If this gave you a clear path to selling designs without being a designer, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.